Good morning, my dear students. Listen here, okay? Today I will discuss class 3 GK from page number 35, exercise 29, cricket mania. That means so many things are about cricket, okay? Match format, IPL, that means Indian Premier League, test which we played in 5 days. 1 day international, it will be the limited overs, that means 50 overs now, and 2020, that means each team will be playing it in 20 overs, okay? 20 overs is one innings, and both team also play 20 and 20 overs. So clothes in IPL, clothes is colored, and test, when you should play in test, on that time it will be white dress, okay? Listen first. Then 1 day international, when we should play in 1 day international, that means when we should play 50 overs in cricket, on that time we should use, or the player should be using colored dress, okay? And also 2020 with a colored dress. Then light use, partly daylight and partly night, that means light will be partly day and also both the night. Test, daylight. 1 day international, partly daylight and partly night. 2020, partly day night and partly night. Teams, IPL, if it is IPL, on that time so many teams are there in together in this league, that means 8 or more than team. Test, it will be maximum 10 teams. 1 day international, 15 teams, and 2020 over 15, that means above 15, okay? Above 15 teams will be played. Duration of match 3 hours, start late in the evening, that means IPL 3 hours play, and also test will be 5 days, last at least the 7 hours each day, that means they can play 7 hours in each day, okay? And then 1 day international for 8 hours. Each of this team played 4 hours with 15 overs. Start early afternoon, and 2020 will be 3 hours. 2020 and IPL the same overs. IPL also the 20 overs, and 2020 also the match in 20 overs. Yes or no? Championship, Indian Championship, different captains. Test in Virat Kohli, Indian captain. Who is the captain of Indian cricket team in test? Virat Kohli. And 1 day international also Virat Kohli, and 2020 also Indian cricket team is Virat Kohli, okay? Overs, IPL 20 overs, test 90 overs, that means it will be 5 days. 1 day international 50 overs, and 2020, that means also 20 overs, that means each of team played with 20 overs. Bowling per bowler bowled in maximum 4 overs, okay? Test, if the player bowled in the test, on that time it will be unlimited, okay? That means bowler can be bowled in unlimited overs, okay? And 1 day international, it will be limited in 10 overs. Suppose you will taking your team, from your team 5 bowlers, 10 overs 1 bowlers, that means 5 bowlers will be bowled in 50 overs. And 2020 also the same, the maximum 4 overs. Each and every bowler can be bowled in 4 overs, okay? That means all of this format you can use minimum 5 bowlers, okay? When does it take place? Every year. IPL occurred in every year. Test not in fixed, because too much time needed for test. So it will be, if the climate will be proper and also the environmental situation is proper, on that time it will be occurring test. So it will be not fixed. Not fixed also the 1 day international, but exceptional the World Cup held once in 4 hours. After 4 hours, after 4 years, World Cup will be held, okay? And 2020 World Cup held on once in 2 years. After 2 years, 2020 played in occurred. Okay, and also so many questions are there. You will fill up in yourself and submit it to our WhatsApp group. Thank you, my dear students. Thank you for watching.